Hello there, Justin here again from Brickright. New job, we got fencing to do, we got bricklaying to do, we got porcelain to do, steps as well. So Fraser's on the digger, he's going at it. Let's show you the job. Stay tuned as well because we've got a surprise. We've got a Hollywood guest appearing on the channel today, so look forward to that. So stay tuned. So along here we got a brick wall, steps going up to the top summer house. All this fencing, that's all coming down. We've got a retaining wall to go in underneath the fence, and then a brand new fence going up. The fence is coming down and we've got to put a new fence up there. This area is going to be a porcelain patio where we've got some Brazilian slates to go in around the border, drainage along the perimeter of the conservatory, tapping into that gully and right the way around. The concrete in for all this brickwork. So we've set it all out now. You can see what's happening. We've got a profile up there. We're just pulling off a tarmac spike down here. Well, I hope you liked that lovely relaxing music I just played for you. Anyway, I've come in on my own today. Fraser's at his wrist, Dayton's at his back, so it's the old man on his own standing. I'm not doing anything as such. It's pouring on with rain. Bloody Betty or Debbie or whatever her name is That's it. So I just wanted to show you where we are. So what I've done, I've taken the order of porcelain from Marshall's, and what I've done is I've just stacked all these bricks out on my own just to get ready for when it is dry. Don't be deceived. You might be thinking, oh, it's sunny, why aren't you getting on with it? No, when the clouds come over, and there's another one up there, look, it absolutely pours down. So I'm signing out. Yeah, this is the next day now. Rain again, pouring down with rain again. What we're trying to do is just trying to get clean stone behind the back of the wall, and this land drain. So what the land drain will do, you'll have an exit point down there coming out of here, so all that water will exit here, and then all this water will exit in a hole we've got down there with a land drain. But just to show you, I mean, you've got all this water in there now, look. This is the water that's accumulating behind the back of the wall, so you can see how much water would be behind there if we didn't put weep holes in or a land drain. So if you do yours, put a land drain in or put weep holes in the back here, but you see it all congregating at the back there. So wrap this in weed membrane now so it doesn't get silted up, and then put the stone back on top and then earth on top of that. And you happy, Frey? No, it's not nice. When you're working outside and it's pouring down with rain and you think your world's ended, because those of you who don't work outside, it's bloody horrible. And when your customer comes out and brings you one of those, a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, it really brings your spirits up. So if you're a client out there and you've got people working outside, make them a cup of tea or coffee, because it really does help. Yeah, our customer just brought us out a cup of tea, and to be honest, she could be on what's that baking program called?
British Bake Off, is it?
British, yeah, she could be on the Great British Bake Off, because her cakes and all her stuff that she makes in there, she'd be bringing out different varieties of cakes and stuff for us to try, and they're absolutely stunning, aren't they, right?
Yeah.
I'm here in the Bake Off tent, and Sue has cooked a carrot, ginger and walnut cake to impress the judges. I think Matt's already had a slice actually. How is it for you, Matt? Good?
On the pole.
Okay, yeah, well, it's Paul's verdict is going to count. Paul, your verdict on the cake, please.
Okay. Right, Sue?
Yeah, what do you think?
Well, it looks really, really good so far. I'm actually impressed. Moisture looks really good. The content of the moisture, that looks really, really good. Your icing's absolutely fantastic. I like the mixture of the walnuts in there as well. What flavour is the icing?
It's cream cheese and ginger.
Sounds very nice. Let's give it a go then, shall we?
Oh, I got the Hollywood handshake.
That is absolutely fantastic. Brilliant, Sue. Excellent. Love it.
Well, it's a handshake there for Sue. Probably the finest moment of her life.
Somebody was tired this morning then, wasn't they?
Yeah.
To have your top on inside out?
Yeah.
Never mind, Dave. You can turn the top back round tomorrow morning and the top will look clean. You got your pants on the right way.
How many pants on?
Quick update where we are. We're just putting this fence up now. This fence was put up yesterday, so we're getting there. So then the weather finally gave up and let us get this brickwork in. So we have got to fill these 2 steps in ready for porcelain. I've ordered solid ends for these in case you're wondering. Done a good job there, lads.
Yeah,
Thank you very, very much. Done a cracking job.
PD.
Payday?
PD.
What do you mean?
Money.
What money?
PD.
You're my sons. I thought you're my sons. I thought you did that just for the love of your father, family support and all that.
All for the PD. All for the money.
All for the money.
Oh, we get a bonus. You got a bad back as well.
Yeah, bonus. You got a
Bad wrist. You got a bad back.
bad back. Yeah.
I'm not going to end up with nothing this week again, then, am I?
And a pint on you as well.
A pint on me.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm having Tesco beans again on the weekend again. If you like the video, please give us a like, and if you could subscribe and support us, that'd be absolutely fantastic. The fencing is done. The brickwork is done. We're now on to the porcelain. That'll be the next video. See you then. Have a lovely weekend. Cheers.